We have heard that phrase, all roads lead to Rome, and that was true. They had a vast network all throughout those continents around the Mediterranean Sea. But who built them? Slaves from the occupied provinces. How were those roads paid for? By the taxes that were raised from those occupied territories. And that is why every time these people turned around, they were further and further oppressed, and had been going on by the time Jesus was alive for almost 70 years. Jesus was coming to end all of that. He was coming to change all of that. Oh, it seems like our alarm is now going off, which means that very soon my cell phone's going to ring because Comtronics is going to call me. Won't they be surprised? God bless it. We can't remember everything, but hopefully the police won't come carry me away. The census tax. Joseph and Mary, they are not free. No one around them is free. And this wasn't an easy journey for them to have to make. Let's remind ourselves that last Sunday, we heard in the fourth Sunday of Advent, the visitation. Where did Mary go when she found out she was pregnant? On a long journey into the hill country to visit with her cousin, Elizabeth. And then, no sooner does she come back from that, than Joseph has to gather her together, and they go off to make their way from Nazareth to Bethlehem. And that's not like going from here to Parma or from here to Michigan Center. It was a 90-mile journey at a time in history when people had nothing to carry them but their own 2 feet. Mary is very, very pregnant. This was not an easy journey. Even if Joseph and Mary walked 13 miles a day, it was still going to take them a week in order to be able to get there. This is it. Just a moment. This will be one to remember. Jesus, will you forgive me? Let's reset the stage. They were not free. 90 miles. Now are they calling again? Now it's John Campo calling me. Is it really him? Hello?
Hey, Father, it was the front west door at Auto Arm. You must have this set up to Auto Arm.
It does, yes. The alarm goes on every night at midnight.
I just need the passcode to shut it off. I'm going to keep that.
Well, let's let everybody know.
Okay.
You're a good man. You're a good man. Say Merry Christmas to John Campo.
Merry Christmas!
Who's next? But we are grateful that he's here at Mass and taking care of it. That's good customer service from Comtronics. Yes. Now it's happening again. Is it not working? It just stopped. Hey, it just stopped. It's another Christmas miracle. Well, the company called me. So I just had a nice chat with them. God bless it. We're going to get back to our regularly scheduled program now. Thank you. All right. Lord, have mercy.